वीडियो देख रहे हैं वो है पार्ट 4। किसका पार्ट 4 है? हर्बल ड्रग टेक्नोलॉजी का, है ना। ये है पार्ट 4। पार्ट 3 और पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 1 जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे, आप वहां से देख लीजिए। ठीक है। ये होता है स्टार्ट 151 150 तक, आपको थर्ड पार्ट तक आपको मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन। यूनानी मेडिसिन इज characterized by the work of its practitioner, also known as hacking. The answer is A. hacking. हकीम जो होते हैं वो मेडिसिन प्रैक्टिशनर होते हैं जो देते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 152 क्वेश्चन नंबर। अकॉर्डिंग टू यूनानी सिस्टम medicine, human body contains blank element. The answer is 4 element. The answer is C, 4 element. Okay. Next is 153 question number. In a Unani system of medicine, Zaz means temperament. The answer is A, temperament. Okay. Next is 154 question number. According to Unani system of medicine, there are blank temperament. The answer is 4 temperament. Okay. Next is 155 question number. In Unani system of medicine, akhalat means C, bodily humor. The answer is C, bodily humor. Okay. Next is 156 question number. In Unani system of medicine, liquefied part of body which are, the answer is dam, and B is balgam, and C is saffra. The answer is D, all. Okay. Next is 157 question number. In Unani system of medicine, treatment is based on temperament and humor. The answer is A, temperament and humor. Next is 158 question number. In Unani system of medicine, treatment can be done by, the answer is D, all. A is diet therapy, and B is regimental therapy, and C is pharmacotherapy. The answer is D. Okay, all. Next is 159 question number. Unani system of medicine has laid down blank essential prerequisites for the maintenance of health and prevention of disease. The answer is 6 essential prerequisites of the maintenance of health and of disease. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 160 question number. Homeopathy system of medicine first appeared in, कब appeared हुआ था? 1807. Okay. Next is 161 question number. Who is the father of homeopathy system of medicine? Samuel Hahnemann. Okay, Samuel Hahnemann. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, and next is 162 question number. Fundamental principle of homeopathy system of medicine involves, the answer is D, all. First is the law of similarity, B is minimum dose, and C is the totality of symptoms. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 163 question number. Which mineral are useful in diabetic nutraceutical? The answer is D, all. First is vanadium, B is chromium, and C is magnesium. The answer is D, all. Okay. Next is 164 question number. Aswas are medicinal preparation made by, the answer is B, soaking, the drug decoction form. Okay. The next is 165. Aswas and arista are fermented for liberation of alcohol. The answer is B, for liberation of alcohol. Okay. The next is Prikshpaka dravya are fermentation of initiators. The answer is B, fermentation of initiators. The answer is B. Okay. Then next is lihas are सेमी सॉलिड प्रिपरेशन, जो लिहास होता है वो सेमी सॉलिड preparation होता है. Okay. Next is Kutikas are semi-solid preparation. Next question number is 169 question number. Tridosa exist in Ayurveda. जो त्रिदोषा होता है वो exist किस पे करता है? Ayurveda पे. The answer is B. Okay. Next is hypothesis of Ayurveda composed of 5 basic elements. The answer is A, composed of 5 basic elements. Okay. The next is 171 question number. Ayurveda is an D, Indian system of medicine. The answer is D, Indian system of medicine. The answer is D. Okay. And the next question number is Tridoshas are A, Vat, Pitta or Kapha. Vat, Pitta or Kapha. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 173 question number. Hippocratic theory is composed of 4 humors. The answer is A, 4 humors. Okay. Next is 174 question number. Unani system of medicine is based on. The answer is A, Hippocrates theory. Okay. Next is lycopene is present in. The answer is D, all tomatoes, papaya and watermelon. Okay, the answer is D. Next is 176 question number. Diallic thiophat, also known as the B answer, allicin. Okay, the answer is B. Okay. Next is 177 question number. Carnitine used as nutraceutical food in cardiovascular disease. The answer is A, cardiovascular disease. Next is garlic used as nutraceutical food in. The answer is D, all. A is cardiovascular disease and B is cancer and C is irritable bowel syndrome. Okay. The next question number is 179 question number. Lowangitin and parocoumarine isolated from blank. The answer is angle marmelosis. Angle marmelos. The answer is B. Okay. The next question number is 180 question number. The synonyms of alpha purple medic. The answer is A, purple medic. Okay. Next is 181 question number. Which plant is known as father of all foods? The answer is A, alpha. Okay. Next is 182 question number. Horseweed's biological name of. The answer is A, Cichorium intabus. Cichorium intabus. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 183 question number. Which root of plant is used coffee substituents? The answer is A, alpha. Okay. The next is 184 question number. Insulin phytochemical present in Cichorium intabus. The answer is A, Cichorium intabus. The next is 185 question number. When garlic is chopped or crushed, blank enzyme activated allinase enzyme जो होता है वो activated होता है. The next is 186 question number. During crushed or chopped of garlic, blank produce. The answer is A, allicin from allin. जो allicin है उससे allin होता है. Then answer is A. Okay. Next is 187 question number. Garlic has been effective against. The answer is D, all. A, gram positive, then B, gram negative and C is acid fast bacteria. Okay. Next is 189 question number. 188 question number. Indian gooseberry is synonym of amla. The answer is C, amla. Okay. Next is Indian ginseng is ashwagandha. The answer is B, ashwagandha. Okay. Next is 190 question number. Synonyms of ashwagandha. The answer is D, all Indian ginseng, poison gooseberry, and C is winter cherry. The answer is D. इसको क्या करना है आपको, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब तो कीजिएगा, भूलिएगा मत, शेयर भी कीजिएगा, कमेंट लाइक